Sevilla, La Perla de Andalusia. Sevilla is the capital and largest city of Andalusia and is famous for its rich cultural heritage, flamenco dancing, and orange trees. Come with me as we review an exciting drone view of this beautiful city. We take flight near the Plaza Padre Jerónimo de Córdoba, a square in the historic center of the city, not too far from the cathedral and the Alcazar. The Cathedral of Sevilla is the largest Gothic church in the world and the third largest church in the world. It was built on the site of a former mosque, and its bell tower, the Giralda, was originally a minaret. We can see the Metropole Parasol, also known as the Setas de Sevilla. This is a modern wooden structure that covers parts of La Encarnación Square. It was designed by the German architect Jürgen Meyer and is the world's largest wooden structure and has a unique shape that resembles giant mushrooms. The Alcazar is a royal palace that was originally a Moorish fort. It is one of the best examples of the Mudéjar architecture, a style that blends Islamic and Christian elements. The Alcazar and the cathedral are both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Taking the view of the narrow streets and whitewashed houses of the Santa Cruz area, the old Jewish quarter of Sevilla. This is one of the most charming and picturesque neighborhoods in the city, with many cafes, restaurants, and shops. Another landmark in the general area is the Palacio de las Dueñas, a historic palace that belongs to the House of Alba. It was built in the late 15th century in the Renaissance style with Gothic and Moorish influences. The palace is one of the major historic homes of great architectural and artistic heritage in the city. You can see the Plaza San Pedro in this footage of the historic center of the city. It is surrounded by several buildings of interest, such as the Iglesia de San Pedro, a Gothic Mudéjar church that dates back to the 14th century, and the Casa de los Pinelo, a Renaissance palace that houses the Royal Academy of Fine Arts of Sevilla. Plaza San Pedro is a lively place where locals and visitors can enjoy the atmosphere and the culture of Sevilla. Soak in the stunning view of the skyline of this historic city. Sevilla is a city that offers a fascinating blend of history, culture, and art. It is a place where you can enjoy the sun, the tapas, and the flamenco. It is a city that will captivate you with its beauty and charm. Thank you for watching this drone view of Sevilla. Please like this video and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos of Spain and other countries. Gracias y hasta luego.